Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota CHR headlight bulb. Start by parking on level ground, turning off ignition, and engaging the parking brake. Locate the headlight assembly and open the hood carefully, securing it with the prop rod. Remove the plastic cover or clips behind the headlight to access the bulb socket. Disconnect the electrical connector, release the bulb retaining clip, and gently remove the old bulb for replacement. Begin by identifying the bulb type listed in your owner manual and gathering needed tools. Turn the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it, then pull the bulb straight out while supporting surrounding parts. If access is tight, remove the wheel well liner or other obstructing components for better clearance. Keep small parts organized, inspect the socket for corrosion, and compare the new bulb to the old one to confirm a match. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings handy voice control to your garage and keeps instructions audible while you work, making hands-free steps much easier and safer. It's compact and affordable, perfect for following DIY walkthroughs without touching your phone. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Carefully align the new bulb with the socket and insert it without forcing, making sure the tabs engage properly. Fasten the retaining clip and rotate the socket clockwise until it seats securely. Reconnect the electrical connector and briefly activate the headlights to verify operation and beam alignment. Replace any removed covers or liners, tighten fasteners, and close the hood. Finish by checking both low and high beams and adjusting if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.